Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to flip normals in Blender so that all faces face the same direction. So over here we have a cube, which looks like a normal cube. And when we go over here and click face orientation, you can see that this part of the cube is flipped inside out. So we have to click on this cube and click tab, go to edit mode, and we're gonna click 3 so we can select the faces, and we're gonna select this face. So we're gonna click Shift plus N, and it's gonna flip and recalculate normals, and now the cube looks perfect. So this is a very quick tutorial how to flip and recalculate normals in Blender. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.